Alright, welcome back. In this chapter, we're gonna start talking about error handling, which we're gonna start with trycatch, trycatch, and other stuff. So let's create a program. Um, Example, I want result as 0 at the first, and then create a program that will divide numbers. I don't know, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3, and the result is a divided by b, and show me the result. Okay, let's see that it is 1. So if we put the second number to 0 and then start our program, we will get an error, which is attempted to divide it by 0. Dividing by 0 is not possible in mathematics, so it will cause an error here in line 18. So that's what happened. Our program crashed, but we don't want it to be crashed. We just want our application keep going. That's why we use trycatch. Catch. I say cache, but it's catch. Okay, I use my main codes in the try block. As for the catch, I will use an X, and then I'm going to show the exception here and convert it to string. Yeah, and yes, I think that's it. So let's start our program. You see, this time our program didn't crash. It just gives me the exception to a string, which is, we will find out what is that error. You see, it's telling us that it is attempted to divide it by 0 and the path of the file and the error, which is program.cs line 21. Here it is, 21, and this is not possible because nothing can divide it by 0 in mathematics. That's right. So if we just change it to string, and instead we just want the message itself. Uh, I think it is. We needed parentheses here. Nope. Oh, it is capital M message. Yeah, that's correct. So if you start that, it will only give us the main error, attempted to divide it by 0. And now here it will show us the result, which is 0. Also, you can just say like error, and then this format showing the error. Error is attempted by 0. Yeah. But if we just we don't want A here to be as default. We want it to get A from the user. So I guess is equal to, let's read line D. A. Okay, we kind of redeline the A here, convert it to integer, because as default is a string. With input parse, we convert it to integer, and now we get the first number from the user. Okay, see, there is nothing here. You can just say before getting the number, we can say please enter a number. Enter a number. Okay, now please enter a number. I enter 8. Error is attempted to divide by 0. Yeah. So what if we change that to 2, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4. There is no error. We didn't see any error. But let's try another error. So this must be a string, and this must be an integer, because I define it as integer. What if I define something like this? String. The error is input string was not in the correct format. And that's it.